Stop. Before you try to remove the side skirt on your BYD Destroyer 05, watch this video first, because you can easily break the clips if you do it wrong. Today I'm going to show you the fastest and safest way to remove it step by step. No damage, no mistakes. Let's go. First thing, turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. This gives you clear access to the front section, and trust me, it makes a big difference. Now, right here, you've got two screws. Remove them using a screwdriver or a drill. Doesn't really matter. Once they're out, don't rush. Check underneath. There's a hidden clip right here. Use a clip removal tool if you have one. If not, a flathead screwdriver will do the job. Just be careful. This is where most people mess up and break the clip. Boom. First section is loose. Now moving to the rear side. Same story, two screws again. But this time access is tighter because of the wheel, so use a smaller tool or a ratchet. Take them out, and yep, another clip underneath. Remove it carefully, just like before. Alright, now we're getting to the important part. Look underneath. All these clips? Yeah. Every single one of them needs to come out. Use your tool, pull them towards you, but don't force it too hard. These clips can snap really easily, especially on newer cars. Take your time here. Once the bottom is free, now comes the tricky part. The top clips. You can't see them, but they're there, and they're holding everything tight. Now listen carefully, don't just yank it off. Pull the side skirt straight towards you, slowly and firmly. On newer cars, these clips are super tight, so you'll need some force, but controlled force. If you want to be safe, use a tool to help pry it out evenly. That way you don't break anything. Work your way along the panel, clip by clip. And there it is, fully removed. This is what it looks like from the inside. Make sure you don't damage these clips if you plan to reuse them. And that's it. If this video saved you time or money, hit that like button and drop a comment. And if you want more real, no BS tutorials like this, subscribe. More videos on this car are coming soon.